Did you know that in the United States alone, Americans pay an average of $327 billion each year for diabetes medications, insulin, and care? People who have this particular disease understand how serious it is to have it. There are two principal forms of diabetes: type 1, which is formerly known as insulin dependent, in which the pancreas fails to produce the insulin required for survival. This form is developed most in children or adolescents. And the other form is type 2, which is formerly known as non-insulin dependent, which results from the body's inability to respond properly to the action of insulin produced by the pancreas. It occurs most frequently in adults but is being noted increasingly in adolescents as well. Enough about this diabetes talk and more about how to reverse it and take control of your life. What I am about to share with you could save your life or the life of someone you love. Introducing Halki Diabetes Remedy Fast Start Guide to a Better Life. This program was designed for any type 2 diabetic, pre-diabetic or anyone who struggles with weight loss, especially for those over 35. No medications, exercise, or dieting, and you can do it in as little as a few short weeks. Click on the link below in the description box and get all the information you need to start this amazing program and get your life back in control.